Hi guys, welcome to my review and recipe of Pillsbury Butterscotch flavor pancake mix. This one is 80-gram pack, MRP is 53 rupees and the shelf life is 9 months. This pancake mix have everything, so you don't need to add any soda or sugar. To begin with recipe, pour the entire content of pancake mix in a big bowl and add half a glass 100 ml of milk little by little and mix all the ingredients together until it's uniformly blended. It's smooth, easy and gooey sweet batter. Since it is butterscotch flavor, it has butterscotch kind of little lumps which adds flavor to the batter. So now heat a pan over medium flame and add a ladle full of batter, and you don't have to spread it. It will take the shape of pancake on its own, and within a minute you will notice the bubble on the top. So it's the time to flip and cook the other side. And I'm going to fasten the process and make many more pancakes on this tawa in one go. So from this 80-gram pack you can make 6 pancakes of this size, and it's not very sweet in taste, so you may top up with honey, maple syrup, chocolate syrup to make it more tasty. And butterscotch flavor has the excellent flavor. So this is for the ones who want to prepare pancake without much problem and lengthy process. Overall easy and convenient. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.